Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to be sharing the top 5 must-need easy mods every GT86 owner can install to improve the looks, feel, and style of their car.
These are all going to be simple upgrades that won't take much time or cost a fortune, but they can make a big difference. Let's dive in. The first mod's going to be a new spoiler. Honestly, this is one of the easiest mods you can do, but it makes a huge difference. It just gives your 86 a sportier, more aggressive vibe that really turns heads. On top of that, it actually helps with aerodynamics, so your car feels more stable at higher speeds and through corners. Installing it's pretty simple too. You don't need to be a mechanic or have crazy tools or anything. All in all, a spoiler is just a super easy upgrade that looks great and actually does something, which is why every GT86 owner should think about it. The next mod's going to be a new steering wheel. This one's super simple, but it can totally change the feel of your interior. A new wheel just feels nice in your hands and makes the cabin look way better. There's not a ton it does behind that, but honestly it's still a really fun mod. You can easily do it yourself too, because most aftermarket wheels come with basic tools that you can just do it yourself, take 10 minutes, you don't need to go to a mechanic or anything. It's a small change that makes your car feel more personal and a bit sportier or fancier depending on the wheel you pick. The next mod's going to be new splitters. This mod's awesome because it gives your car a sharper, more aggressive look while also helping with performance a bit. Splitters attach to the front bumper and help manage airflow under the car, which can make it feel more stable at higher speeds. They also go really well with spoilers to give your GT86 a balanced, sporty vibe. Installing them is also pretty easy to do. You don't need any major work to be done, so it's a solid upgrade if you want your car to look cooler and feel more planted on the road. The next mod's going to be a new exhaust.
You can change your exhaust from this to this. Upgrading your 86's exhaust is probably the best mod you can do in the beginning. A new aftermarket exhaust gives your 86 a deeper, more aggressive tone. It's gonna make your car sound f***ing mean, bro. But not will it only make your car sound way sicker. A new exhaust mod can also offer a slight performance boost by improving airflow and reducing back pressure, helping your engine breathe more efficiently. But the best part is that most aftermarket exhausts are designed for easy installation, which means that you can have a shop fit it for you real quickly without a huge cost, or if you're a real sick and you have the right set of tools, you can just spend a couple of hours installing it yourself or with a mate. Next up, we've got the gear knob. Now, the gear knob, it's not a mod that's going to change horsepower or anything. It's not going to boost your car, but it is going to add that nice aesthetic touch to the interior, especially if you've already modded the wheel or the handbrake or just the front interior lining. The gear knob is the final touch, bro. Now, and it's not only just for the looks, it's for comfort as well, bro. You know, a new gear knob can really add that grip and that comfiness, that I know your hand needs. And yeah, it's just a nice touch to have, bro. I reckon you should get one. And that's it. Those are the top 5 must-need and easy mods for your GT86. From the spoiler to the gear knob, each of these upgrades are simple, affordable, and make your car feel more personal.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button, comment which mod is your favourite and subscribe for more Toyota 86 content.